Now by using the formulas only we will find out the compound interest. I'll explain you around 5 types. So in this, how to find out the compound interest. Okay, next video we'll see how to find out principle, how to find out the time when other information means other data is given, how to find out. So here only find out the compound interest questions. So I'll show you a few questions here. This is one and one more. Okay, see the first problem. You can solve the rest of the questions also from your textbooks because only numbers will change, the method is same. Okay. Now calculate amount and compound interest on rupees 12,500. So this is the principal for 2 years. So this is the time and 12%. So this is the R, right? So your given data is the P is equals to rupees 12,500 and time, that is N, is equals to 2 years, and R is given rate of interest is 12%, right? Yeah, this is the value, this per annum. Therefore now directly we'll apply the formula. So, amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100, P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. We can close this. Then this bracket also not required. Directly P into 1 plus R by 100 over to the power N. Right. So this formula straight away will apply. So you'll find out the amount directly. Now P into, so P is given 12,500 into 1 plus R is 12 by 100 all to the power N is 2. Now we can simplify. So within the bracket just LCM 1 plus 12 by 100. So we can cancel this 4 table if you cancel 25, and this is 4 3s are 12. Okay, 3 by 25. Now that is 12,500 into 1 plus 3 by 25. So 25 plus 3, 28 by 25 LCM or power 2. Then we can simplify more. So 12,500 into 28 by 5, 28 by 25 whole square. So 28 by 25 into 28 by 25. Okay, you can do cancellation of this. 25 ones are 25, 5s are 0, 0. Again similarly 25 ones are 25, 2s are 50, 20. So 20 into 28 into 28. Okay, that is 28 into 2. 560 into 28, just multiply and get the amount. Now that is total is, just multiply these numbers. So 60, 28 if you calculate, then 15,680, right? This is the amount. Now once you know amount, you can find out the rest of it. So amount is equals to rupees 15,680. Then compound interest. Compound interest, you can apply compound interest formula, otherwise directly subtract amount minus principal. So 15,680 is amount and principal is 12,500. Do subtraction, this is the compound interest. Okay, if you subtract, that is 15,000 minus 12,000, 15,680 minus 12,500 is 3,180. Right, this is the compound interest. So straight away if you apply formula, it's simple. Then see one more question I wrote here. This is when they are given different rates. Okay, observe. How much will 10,000 amount to 2 years at compound interest, compounded annually, but rate of interest is succeeding years is 9 and 10%. That means first year 9% and second year is 10%. Now let us see. So according to this given solution, given P is equals to 10,000. And rate of interest is 2, so that's why R1 and R2 will take. R1 is 9%, R2 is 10%. Okay, there is no need of taking n value here because formula I explained. Then amount is equals to previous video I have checked already formulas. Amount is equals to P into. So 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. Okay. Only for 2 years, 2 successive years. Just substitute the values. Then P is equals to, according to the problem, it's 10,000. 1 plus R1, that is 9 by 100. 1 plus R2 is 10 by 100. If you do LCM, it's simple. 10,000 into 1 plus 9 by 100 is 109 by 100. And 1 plus 10 by 100 is 110 by 100. So LCM. Right? Just simplify using calculator. 100, 2 zeros, again 100, 1 0. So 109 into 110. This is the amount after 2 years. So if you multiply 109 into 111, just to multiply 9911, again 0. So 11,990. Right? So this is the hence amount is equals to, therefore amount after 2 years, because 2 successive years we are taken. So after 2 years the amount will be rupees 11,990. Right? Yes. So this way I can solve. And when the given time in different, let's see one more question. This we are finding compound interest. Next board I have one question here. Calculate the amount and compound interest on 8,000 for 2 years 9 months. Okay, number of years is 2, but number of months also is 9. Okay, whenever given like this, also we have seen formula, so I will apply that. So your given data is P is equals to rupees how much, 8,000, and rate of interest is same 10% throughout 2 years 9 months. And when you see the time is equals to 2 years and 9 months. That means 2 years and plus 9 months is 9 by 12 years. 2 years plus 9 by 12 years. So 2, 9 by 12. Yes, let it be this. Now when you apply the formula, so amount is equals to, this formula also you have seen, P into 1 plus R by 100 all to the power n. So first n is for 2 years, because 2 years is fixed, into again 1 plus R by 100. Next is 9 by 12. 9 by 12 is months and R by 100. Okay, years means only can write out. So this 9 by 12. This is time is 9 by 12 in terms of years now. We will simplify. Just substitute the place of R and P. Right. Whenever the formula we need to apply in this. Now P is equals to 8,000. 1 plus R is 10. 10 by 100 all to the power 2 into again 1 plus, we can cancel this, right? 9, 3 is a 9, 3 4s are. So 3 by 4 into 10 by 100. Just to calculate this total and get the final amount. Then 8,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 is 110 by 100 whole square. So into again 110 by 100 into, and we take 1 plus, yes, 1 plus is there, 1 plus 3 by 4 into 10, so you can cancel this 0 0, then 3 by 40, so 1 plus 3 by 4 by 10, so 4 into 10. Just simplify this. 8000 into cancel 0 0, so 11 by 10 into cancel 0 0, again 11 by 10, 1 plus 3 by 40, that is 43 by 40. Just simplify everything. 2 zeros cancel, 41s are 42s are 80, right? 2 into 11 into 11, 2 into 11 into 11 is 121 into 43. Multiply this, 2 into 121, so 242 into 43, then this is the total amount. So if you multiply this, 2 3 0 6, total 10,406. Just multiply. This is the amount. And then once you know if amount, you can find out the compound interest for total 2 years, how many months? 9 months. Then 10,406 minus the principal is 8,000 is given. Then 2,406 is the compound interest. So we can find out this. Only you need to apply. The remaining thing is whenever the time in years and months, that is in months place will come in this place separately, and number of years is fixed into extra 1 plus the how many months, we should convert it to years, and r by 100. Okay, just if you simplify, you get the problem. Now this is the type 1, first type, how to find out the compound interest. Next we'll see how to find out the principal when some time other things are given. How to find the principal, we'll see.